Welcome to FitFaat. Follow the given instruction to show your partner account. Click the settings and go to activity. Now add new activity. Write activity name and select activity image and save activity. Now back in setting, click membership and add new membership. Write membership name, membership age, membership amount, installment amount and schedule, sign up fee and select membership image. Now select activity and now save. Membership saved. Back in setting and now click in timing. Set timing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Set your timing, morning time, evening time. Set your choice. You can set weekly schedule, weekly closing schedule, or evening or morning schedule. Now back in setting and select banner. Click in plus and select banner 1280 pixels. Now go to setting and click image. You can select multiple image. You can show multiple photos to your users. Now go to setting and click features. Now add new features. You can choose multiple features. After choosing features, click OK. Your features added. And now click About Us. You can write about your gym and yoga centers. Go to setting and now set your social profile, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn and YouTube profile. You can set URL and save your social profile and go to setting. Update your profile and go to setting and send request for activate account. Thank you.